How to validate LLM apps using Claude effectively. In this video, learn how to efficiently test and validate LLM-based applications using Claude, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of AI-driven solutions.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, specifically focusing on how you can use Claude to validate your large language model, LLM, applications effectively. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI-driven solutions is more critical than ever. With Claude, a cutting-edge tool specifically designed for LLM validation, you can gain remarkable insights into the performance of your AI applications. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore Claude's capabilities, how to set up a testing environment, and implement test cases for common LLM issues. Stay tuned to learn how to analyze validation reports and the best practices for continuous validation processes. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to enhance the robustness of your LLM applications. Let's get started.
Now that we're familiar with the importance of validation, let's delve into setting up a testing environment with Claude. The first step is installing and configuring Claude, which can be done swiftly via their official website. Ensure your system meets the requirements for seamless integration. Next, create a robust testing environment by integrating Claude with your existing systems. This might involve setting up APIs or data pipelines to facilitate smooth data flow. Pay attention to key settings that optimize performance, such as memory allocation and processing power distribution. Many users face challenges during setup, like compatibility issues or network configuration errors. Claude's comprehensive support documentation is an invaluable resource in such cases. Remember, a well-configured testing environment is foundational to effective LLM validation. With everything in place, you're ready to start validating your LLM applications efficiently. Once your testing environment is set up, it's time to implement test cases for common LLM issues. Start by identifying prevalent issues such as response accuracy, context understanding, and bias detection. Designing specific test cases is crucial to address these challenges. Claude provides a robust framework for creating and running these tests. Utilize its capabilities to test for various scenarios, including edge cases and stress testing. Evaluate the effectiveness of each test case by analyzing the outcomes and noted discrepancies. Iterative testing is key. Refine your test cases based on feedback and results to enhance their precision and relevance. This step is vital for preemptively identifying and addressing potential issues, ensuring your LLM applications are robust and reliable.
After running your test cases, it's time to analyze and interpret Claude's validation reports. These reports provide detailed metrics that are crucial for understanding your LLM's performance. Key insights include accuracy rates, error types, and response times. Understanding these metrics allows you to interpret data effectively, making informed decisions about necessary changes or updates to your LLM applications. Identify areas for improvement by pinpointing weaknesses highlighted in the reports. This analysis is not just about identifying problems but also about leveraging the insights for strategic updates that enhance overall application performance. Remember, these reports are a goldmine of information for anyone looking to optimize their AI models. Continuous validation is a best practice that cannot be overlooked. AI applications are dynamic, and regular validation ensures they remain accurate and reliable. Establish a consistent validation schedule, whether weekly, monthly, or per release cycle, to catch issues early and often. Incorporating user feedback into your validation process is invaluable. Real-world use cases can highlight unseen problems. Track changes and their impacts over time to understand your LLM's evolution and make data-driven decisions about future adjustments. Stay adaptable, as AI technology and its challenges are continually evolving. By committing to continuous validation, you ensure your LLM applications remain at the forefront of performance and reliability.
Integrating Claude with other testing frameworks can significantly enhance your validation process. Utilizing multiple frameworks allows you to benefit from diverse testing approaches and methodologies. Popular frameworks that can be combined with Claude include TensorFlow testing, PyTorch testing, and others specific to your development environment. Setting up cross-framework workflows involves ensuring compatibility and seamless data transfer between systems. This integration maximizes validation coverage, allowing for a more comprehensive assessment of your LLM applications. Keep efficiency in mind to avoid redundant processes that could slow down your validation. By leveraging the strengths of multiple frameworks, you can achieve a more robust and reliable validation process.
Troubleshooting is an inevitable part of any validation process. Identifying common issues, such as configuration errors, inconsistent results, or performance bottlenecks, is the first step. Claude offers numerous support resources, including documentation, forums, and customer support, to assist with troubleshooting. Effective techniques include reviewing setup configurations, rerunning test cases, and consulting with peers or experts in the field. Learning from past validation experiences is invaluable. Document challenges and solutions for future reference. Building a robust troubleshooting protocol will save time and reduce frustration in the long run. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to enhance your skills and improve your LLM applications. The world of LLM testing and validation is continually evolving, driven by rapid advancements in AI technology. Emerging technologies such as neural network interpretability tools and real-time validation frameworks are shaping the future of LLM validation. These developments impact how we approach validation, offering new methodologies and tools to enhance accuracy and reliability. Anticipating future challenges, such as increased model complexity and ethical considerations, is crucial for staying ahead. Incorporating future trends into your current practices ensures you are prepared for these changes. By keeping an eye on emerging trends and adapting accordingly, you can maintain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving field of AI. In conclusion, validating LLM applications using Claude is a powerful way to ensure accuracy and reliability in your AI-driven solutions. We've covered how to set up a testing environment, implement test cases, analyze validation reports, and continuously validate your applications. We encourage you to apply these techniques to enhance your LLM applications. Share your experiences and any challenges you face in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future topics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others interested in AI validation. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.